All right, welcome to this channel. This is Moorish English. Today we'll be practicing grade 8 English National Exam questions. ከዛ በፊት ግን አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ የምለቃቸው ጥያቄዎች እንዲደርሳችሁ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ፣ እኔ መልስ እሰጣለሁ ማለት ነው። ኦልራይት ከነ ምክንያቱ እያያዛችሁ ሂዱ ጥያቄዎችን ምክንያቱን ያዛችሁ ማለት የሌላ ጥያቄም ሰራችሁ ማለት ስለሆነ so let's proceed to question number 38. This is grammar question. The new shoes cost her blank, so she decided to return them. This is the evidence we have in this sentence. So what the shoes cost her? The new shoes cost her what? Uncomfort, discomfort, miscomfort and subcomfort. መጀመሪያ ይሄ አይሆንም፣ ሁለቱን ታወጣላችሁ። we don't have this form። ይሄ ኦፕሽን ለማሳሳት እንጂ miscomfort subcomfortን ታወጣላችሁ። ከዛ uncomfort or discomfort. Uncomfort, have we ever heard uncomfort? No. Uncomfortable we have ever heard, ሰምተን እናውቃለን። Discomfort is the correct form. The new shoes cost her discomfort is the correct form. ምንድነው እንዲሰማ? ለምሳሌ ሹዙ ራሱ ቢሆን ኖሮ if we are talking about the shoes it could be uncomfortable. ይሄ ለዚህኛው ጥያቄ አይሆንም፣ ግን uncomfortable የምንጠቀመው like adjective እንዲሆን the new shoes is uncomfortable is correct። ስለ ሹዝ ስናወራ ይሄ ግን ምንድነው የሚለው the new shoes cost her። እሷ ነው ሳለ ምን አይነት እንትን አረጋባት ነው? ኮዝ አረጋት። ምን አይነት ተጽዕኖ አሳደረበት? caused her discomfort ነው። discomfort ማለት a slight pain, a feeling of slight pain, right? የሆነ pain እንዲሰማ አረጋት። That's it. So let's caused her discomfort is the correct form. Blank she pay her bills last week. እዚህ ጋር ምን አላችሁ? she አለ፣ last week አለ። ሲጀመር last week ካለ እነዚህ ምርጫ አይሆኑም። በቃ አንዱን ፓስት የሚያመለክተው ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄኛው ግን ለሌላ ጥያቄ እንዲሆናችሁ he, she, it ካለ ነው። does he, does she, does it ነው የምንለው። ይሄ ደግሞ we, they and you ካሉ ነው ይሄን ለጥያቄ የምንጠቀመው። so do they, do we, do you ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ she ስለሆነ ሲጀመር ይሄ be አይሆንም። አንድ በዚህ ማስወገድ ትችላላችሁ። ኖርማሊ ደግሞ last week ስላለ do እና does አልጠቀም፣ do እና does ይወጣሉ። last week ከሆነ did ነው። the answer is did ግን ዳን አንጠቀም። ለምን? እንዴት አድርገን ዳን ሲጀመር ለጥያቄ ከፊት መጥቶ ያውቅም። ለጥያቄ ለመጠየቅ ይሄ መሆን ያለበት like has he done or have they done like that, have they done their assignment ሊሆን ይችላል እንጂ ዳን ከፊት መጥቶ አያውቅም። so the answer is did she pay is the correct form. ይሄ ማለት originally the sentence one sentence ምን ነበር ማለት ነው? she paid የሆነውን past tense ከሆነ she paid her bills last week. sorry, her bills last week ከሆነ paid ከዚህ ውስጥ did ነው የሚወጣው። ጥያቄ መጠየቅ ስንፈልግ did ከዛ did she ይሆንና did she after did ስላለ did she pay ይሄ verb one to the root verb ይሆናል። ይሄ infinitive form ይመጣል ማለት ነው። did ስላለ ይሄን ተጨማሪ paid አላደረገም። so originally she paid her bills last week የነበረው ጥያቄ ሲሆን did she pay ይሆናል። she worked for many years in for this company ካልኩኝ worked የሚለውን did she work ይሆናል ማለት ነው። did ብሎ she work that form. so the answer is did. yesterday አለ፣ በቃ አለቅ። እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄ ቀላል። yesterday they blank so happy to see each other after a long time. so yesterday ስላለ present tense ነው፣ is present tense ነው። ስለዚህ yesterday past tense ነው። ከዚህና ከዚህ ነው የምመርጠው። they ስላለ ደግሞ ከዘይ ጋር የሚሄደው were ነው። they were present tense ቢሆን ኖሮ are ነው። ስለዚህ past form yesterday ስለተጠየቀ they were so happy is the correct form. was ምንለው like she, he እዚህ ጋር ቢሰጥ she, he singular form ሲሰጥ ነው was እንለዋለን። so the answer is they were. present tense ቢሆን ኖሮ they are ይሆናል። ስለዚህ yesterday ስላለ were is አቶ ጫላ is a very blank person. አቶ ጫላ is a very blank person. what kind of person is he ብላችሁ ስትጠይቁ አስገቡት እስኪ። a very care person, a very carefully person, a careful person, a very careful person, a very cares person the answer is a careful person what kind of person adjective ነው የተጠየቀው adjective ሲጠየቅ what kind ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ነው so a careful person መልሱ ይሄ ነው cares verb ነው verb ሆኖ action ማለት ነው he she it ቢሆን ነበር he she it ቢሆን care ደግሞ it can be a noun we need to give care to students we need to give care to kids you may say care can be a verb I care for you so care can be verb or noun እዚህ ጋር ግን የተጠየቀው adjective ምን አይነት ሰው ነው ስንል ተባለ he is a careful person ነው የምንለው he is a very careful person is the answer good if close ላይ እንሄዳለን if I had enough time I blank the visit my friend no I blank the visit ሳይሆን I blank the visit it's not a correct grammar the visit ይሄ በስተት ነው አይደለ ስለዚህ if I had enough time if I had ተሰጥቷቸዋል simple past tense in the if clause ካለ እዚህ ጋር would plus verb 1 ይመጣል if I had if I were a bird I would fly አይደለም ትሉት would could እዚህ ጋር would plus v1 መምጣት አለበት ወይም root verb መምጣት አለበት so if I had a lot of money I would help you I would ነው የሚመጣው I would help you if I had a car I would give you a lift you may say lift I would give you a lift like if I knew his address knew simple past I would give him a call if I knew his address I would call him or I would give him a call good the next one in a conversation form dialogue no Brooke እና በለጠ ያወሩ ነው do you repeatedly go to the theater do you repeatedly go to the theater no ይላል agree አላደረገም so I go only what sometimes do you repeatedly በተደጋጋሚ ትሄዳለህ ስትባል no I go only sometimes is correct I know I go only many times no ብሏል repeatedly በተደጋጋሚ ትሄዳለህ I go many times አትሉም I go frequently አትሉም I go often አትሉም ለምን አይሄድም ከኮንቴክስቱ ጋር ለምን repeatedly አትሄድም ወይ ሲባል no ብሏል already many times አትሉም frequently አትሉም often አትሉም so the answer is sometimes is the correct form ስለዚህ frequently often እና many times በተደጋጋሚ ለምታረጉት ነገር ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው good I was crossing the road when was it you were crossing the road yeah I was crossing the road መቼ when someone called my name called simple past goes with past continuous አንዱ short action with long action ማለት ነው ለምሳሌ I was reading a fictional book when someone knocked at አንዱ አጭርና short action እዚህ ጋር when someone short action and ይሄኛው ደግሞ long action ስለዚህ when someone knocked at the door I was reading ስለዚህ when goes with the short action so when someone called my name you were doing what I was crossing so long action and short action ስትገልጹ ይሄኛው past continuous ከማን ጋር ይሄዳል ከሲምፕል ፓስት ጋር with when ማለት ነው where is the exercise book which book የትኛው where is the exercise book የትኛው ብላችሁ ጠይቁ ቀላል who's which ከተሰጣችሁ which one so the book ሲጀመር who ለቡክ አይሆንም ለthink አይሆንም አይደለም who ይወጣል ስለዚህ where የትኛው ቡክ ነው ማለት ይፈልጋችሁ ስለ ቦታ አይደለም ያወራችሁ which እና who's እናስባለን which ደግሞ like his her እንደሚለው possessionን ለማመልከት ነው ባለቤትነትን ማለት ነው so እዚህ ጋር ባለቤት ነው የትኛውን መሆኑን ነው ማውራት ይፈልጋችሁ so you say where is the book which was on the shelf ላይ የነበረው which one ስትሉ which was on the shelf so which is the correct relative pronoun ማለት ነው who's የምትጠቀሙት አንድ ምሳሌ ልስጣችሁ where is the book የትኛው book whose pages are worn out whose pages የትኛው የሱ ማለት ነው which page it is ማለት ነው whose pages whose can be used for person or for thing this is a man whose mother died a week ago whose mother died a week ago whose ካላችሁ በኋላ ግድ ነው መምጣት አለበት whose ከዛ now whose mother whose pages ያላችሁ whose legs ያላችሁ ማቀጠል ትችላላችሁ ስለዚህ whose አይሆንም the answer is which አንብቡት ከዛ where is the book and where is the exercise book which was on the shelf is the correct form. Yeah, thank you. This is Moorish English. You speak English, you think English. And think English, and you speak English. Thank you. If you have questions, please feel free to write on the comment.